Hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying your lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'll be showing you on how to add a program to the firewall, especially for VTubers who want to, let's say, put VSeeFace or Warudo or VNyan and have it seen in the firewall, especially if you have iPhone or webcam issues that, if the dev said that your firewall is having an issue, I'm going to just show you how to do that. Now, of course, if by any chance you do have iPhone issues or tracking related issues and the firewall stuff does not help you, then I still recommend going to the designated Discord servers and speaking with the dev on potential fixes. But I'll show you this message, so, because this usually tends to fix most issues regarding tracking for VTubers. So what we're going to do is we're going to access Firewall. So make sure you go to the Windows setting here at the bottom, and then you're going to type in Firewall like this. And you should be able to select what pops up here, and you'll get this program that appears. And what you're going to do is you're going to go into the inbound rules, and this is where you can be able to see that I have like programs registered here like Audacity and Blender and all that. And what we're going to do is we're going to go here and add a new rule. And then a window should pop up for a little wizard. So here we're going to say that it's going to be a program. You could, of course, for advanced users, depending on what you're doing, you can add TCP or UDP port if you're going to use those things, but we're going to focus on just program, and we're going to press on next. Then here you could choose I guess if you really want all program, but just to avoid confusion, it's best that you keep it very specific. So this program path, this is where we'll press on browse, and let's say, for example, I want to have Warudo here, Warudo exe, be added to the firewall because I'm having iPhone tracking issues with my darn Warudo. And then you're going to press on next. Then you're going to make sure to allow the connection. You could, of course, allow connection if secure, but honestly, it's best to have allow the connection, so that way, your iPhone can work with Warudo or VSeeFace or VNyan or whatever program that you're using. Press on next, and then you can leave these all active unless you have a preference, but I usually leave those active, and then press on next. Then I give it a name, let's say Warudo, and then I would press on finish, and then that's pretty much it. And then, of course, if I scroll all the way down to where there's Warudo, should appear somewhere. Warudo, should be somewhere. I gotta hunt for it. Where have you? There you go. See, I have like 3 Warudos here. So there you go. You can just check through, see like what did you allow, and there you go. That's pretty much it. That is how you can add like a VTuber program, or if there's something that you need, that's how you add it to the firewall. I hope that this tutorial helps you out, and have a lovely day, everyone. And again, if you're still struggling with whatever tracking issue or program issues you're dealing with, please consult the dev, letting them know that you have done these steps, and they should hopefully try their best to help you with any further instructions on getting your VTuber program to work. But have a lovely day, everyone. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me, and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey, goodbye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!